Hello, this is Jason from Technology Services. In this video, we're going to highlight how to complete a session credit survey for a Falcon Flex session that was out of district. On the day that you're supposed to take your particular session, you'll notice at the top of your Falcon Flex portal, there's going to be a red flag with in red writing, Session Credit Survey Completion Required, followed by the name of the session that you're going to be taking that day. In my case, the session is called Trauma and Crisis Specialist. There's a couple things to notice about this. First, at the end, you'll see the tag, didn't attend. For some reason, if you weren't able to make that session, doesn't matter why, you can simply click didn't attend. If you click this, it will cancel that notification and you won't see it anymore. If you click the name of your session, and again, this is a name of mine, Trauma and Crisis Specialist, it will take me to a survey. The survey is just kind of evidence so that we can upload this for PDE and for credit. You'll notice it says, did you attend the Falcon Flex session? Then it'll give the name of the session that was held on, and then it'll give the date. Simply click yes, and then it will be followed by please browse, select, and upload an attendance evidence file, and it can only be an image or a PDF file, and it can't be any larger than 2 megabytes. So to do this, I simply click browse, and you'll notice that it will bring up a way to browse out and find the location of your file. So I'll simply find my proof of attendance, whatever you name it. I'll click open, and then the name of that file will show up next to the browse. Then click submit. Once you click submit, you'll notice you'll get a green highlight. It says you have received credit for your session, and you'll notice that now you should see hours added on to your gauge. If you have any questions, need any assistance, please feel free to reach out to Technology Services. Thanks, and have a great day.